says, you know, why would forfeits need
cool. Oh, now you signal.
If you don't know, you could be like,
Nissan driver.
I don't know. I'll go away and call back. Like
he did, obviously.
Sure. And my guess is there's more to that story.
Yeah.
My guess is there's more. That either he told you,
behind me again,
or that he hasn't told you, but you kind of.
I think he came from the
That's
right
my guess.
lane.
Maybe again.
Really? Nissan driver and Toyota turd.
that it has gone down towards them, and we can say, oh well, that happens because of gravity.
No, stop.
You know,
Nissan drivers.
We know that. We can say that. Then we know that. But what?
Yeah. Right. So, Doctor, is there a command center? Is there some ultimate control center?
I didn't want an exit there.
Endocrine systems within systems that manage
prophet of the sun devil. In the context of this story, it is clear that Jesus meant to describe himself as
stop,
one who had
Nissan.
previously dwelt in heaven
And there was a
since
car
at least
coming
the
too.
time of creation.
And you didn't stop, Nissan driver.
Just don't forget me.
Really?
No, I won't. He got up again and...
Nissan drivers.
With shaded areas indicating the
You're gonna go.
Inhabitants. In other words,
Go.
if someone were to ask, where did this legal document come from?
Oh,
Or
you
was this
bitch.
letter
Nissan
found
driver.
in the house or outside in a trash pit? I was out of luck.
Oh, really? Behind me. You got a red light, Nissan driver.
And I don't think we should criminalize homosexuality in my country, right?
It's
and
red.
So that's
Nissan
kinda
driver.
at the end of the day, if somebody says they're an eight.
And it's what's in Ray Canadian
And no stop behind me, Nissan driver.
Computers to trace numerous patterns in nature that are all emergent from the bottom up.
Red light run.
These are controlled or constructed
Nissan driver.
by an intricate, interrelated array.
No. And you didn't stop, Nissan driver.
And with the starkness of the detail here, just in blunt detail.
Really?
An experiment
Nissan drivers.
is the
causes a disease as punishment. One would think that eventually
No stop.
the people would
Nissan
realize
driver.
what
Oh, night.
happens when you rebel against
Stop in
God.
the middle of the thing for
They never
what?
do, which is a significant point in the book. In chapter verses 11 and 12. Don't worry, Moses again talks
Oh,
them
look,
down.
she didn't stop behind
However,
me either.
Israel isn't going to
Protects himself and his family, which is to do politically motivated shit.
And his son, probably because this guy's lived a privileged life.
You got a green. Got a green Nissan driver. There you go. You figured it out. Good job. Your country's proud of you.
Guy was talking about Anunnaki. That shit's in the Sumerian deities, right? That's older than the Bible.
No stop.
Because it all boils down to evidence.
Nissan drivers.
And I gravely misunderstood all of American society. Right? Yeah, we will have to.
No stop.
We will have
Nissan driver.
Immigrate somewhere.
No, Nissan's in the left lane. No, no, no. I cannot be here. What am I doing here? No, no, no. I can't be in the left lane. No, no, no. I'm not exactly passing anyone, so I really can't be here right now. Oh, well, I'll move over. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Now, I want you to comment down there, which car brand should I make fun of next time? I'd like to hear your suggestions. Whatever one gets the most suggestions in the comment, well, I'll do next. All right, catch you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.